Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today, I got my box from Fashionsta. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, how you been? I hope you guys are doing well. Things are really getting crazy out there, I know, and the COVID numbers are going up, and I mean, things are just not the way it used to be, are they? So anyway, I just want you to hang in there and really try to think of the, possible futures. That'll be great out there, okay? So there's got to be a positive in everything negative, so search for it. And I know it's easier said than done because I say it all the time, but you really, really have to search. And you know what? I bet you'll find it. Anyway, without further ado, I wanted to share with you my fashion stuff. So this came in last night late. It was actually on my porch and I didn't realize it. And so I thought today I'll record a video for you. And because I've been really dying to know what's in here because I haven't really seen a whole lot of people actually gets fashion stuff, but I know I've enjoyed it. So let's get started. So anyway, okie dokie. All right, oops, is this all taped up? Okay, got it. I'm still having difficulties opening boxes. Okay, oh, I expected a box within a box, but I guess that's not how this one works out. It looks like it's directly like this, and very interesting, theme color here. There's a card. It looks like everything is black and white. Let me just put this down. So how this box comes is with a card like everything else. And then on the back of it, it will have the products that's in the box. And I want to say this box is like $34.99 again. And but it does give you the value. It's supposed to be over $175, I think it is. I say this with all of my box openings. So I'm not very good at the dollars. So if I'm wrong, I will go ahead and put them on a screen. But if you don't see it on a screen, means I said the right thing. So I was thinking this was $34.99, but I may be wrong because I said that about the other box, the chic box that I opened. I was right about that one, though. So anyway, but you know what? Let me just look it up for you, okay? Hold on. Okay, I got it. It's $24.99, not $34.99. It's $24.99 a month. And then according to the card here, the value of this product, I'll tell you afterwards. Ha. Okay, so anyway, let's get going. What do we have here? Okay, the first thing I see is called the Three Graces I speak English today, not. Lip Saver, Love Yourself. Here it is. And I love these. I've been like really loving lip savers and chapsticks and all that stuff because, it's winter time and the lips are really, dry and stuff. So I welcome it. And so let me tell you, Three Graces Hydrating Lip Saver Treatment, and retails for $18. But what it says about it is it's the ultimate lip rejuvenator. Blurs fine lip lines and restores the lips' delicate barrier for soft, plump lips all day. Made in the USA, and it's cruelty-free. I like that. That's the thing. Anymore, I don't buy products knowingly that's not cruelty-free because why? There's so many cruelty-free, options out there. So I just get the cruelty-free stuff. Okay, so the next one. Oh, this is heavy. It's called Simply Even Tone Perfecting Butter with vitamin A and E, and it has some kind of seeds. Let's see, it has meadow foam seed oil. I don't know what that is, and it's by Susan and Me. And so let me tell you about it. Okay, it says Susan and Me, New York City, Simply Even Tone Perfecting Butter. It retails for $24, and it's a gentle and smoothing blend of shea, cocoa, and mango butters to be used on both the face and body for healthy, radiant skin. 100% natural. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Nice. Okay. You know, let's see what it looks like. It's heavy. I think it's a glass jar in here. Yeah, it is. Oh wow! Look at the color. It's kind of like shiny. Yeah, look at the and it says like this. And I will use this. Let me see if there's a seal on it. Okay. Oh, yep, there's a seal on it. That's good. I can't smell anything. I don't want to open it yet because I do have a lot of creams out there. And this is for the face and body. I'll probably use it on my body, but not so much on my face because I have a regimen, a routine for my face that's pretty set. So, which I know I'll make you guys a video on that too. So it's coming. Okay, and next is this WM Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. And here it is. It looks like it's a sample size. And, it's another thing too. This box actually has 4 to 5 full-size product and minimal sample size. So it's actually a very good box. I really like it. Okay, and this one here, it is by Dr. Botanicals. Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. It actually retails for $10. A refreshing facial cleanser with powerful hydrating capacity and omega acids that remove any excess sebum under skin. Vegan and cruelty-free again. You know, I'm wondering if this company, I didn't really see that Fashionsta claims to be cruelty-free and vegan. It's not like that Kinder box that I get, which says that. But sounds like they're really moving in that direction because so far everything's been cruelty-free and, a couple of things have been vegan. So, I don't know. Okay, so next. Okie dokie. Oh, we have a palette here. And here it is. Is this pretty? Is that an elephant? It is. It's by Dominic Paul. And let's see what you are. Dominic Paul. And it's Dominic Paul Cosmetics. It's a contour palette. It retails for $40. Can be used as eyeshadows, bronzers, or setting powders to sculpt and shade your eyes, cheekbones, nose, and jawline. It's cruelty-free and vegan once again. Okay. Oh, nice. Look at these tones. I don't know if this would work for every skin tone, but it is actually very nice. There's 3 different depth. There's warmer and cooler colors here. And as it said, you can use it as eyeshadows or as contour. Colors like this I probably would use for eyeshadows instead of contour. And it does have a mirror with it. And this is very nice. Let's see. And this is made in England. I'm really liking these boxes. All of the things are made outside of China. I think people are starting to realize, because when you don't have a very strong oversight in manufacturing, you don't know what you're going to get. And so that's my big thing about that. And having read reports, from very good sources. I'm not talking about posting from people, but I mean areas like the USDA, FDA, all of those, I'm really reluctant to buy from companies that manufacture their stuff in places where there's questionable regulations surrounding it, right? And so, yeah. And also another thing I want to let you know, and if a product is sold in China at this time, let's say L'Oreal or, Bobbi Brown, I'm not saying they do, but I'm just saying, let's say, even if they sell their products in China, it has to be animal tested. Chinese government require that anything sold in their markets has to be tested on animals first. And so that'll give you kind of a clue as to if you see companies that are selling in China that they do test on animals. And then the thing is, it's pretty interesting. A lot of people don't know that, right? But have you ever seen a advertising that says our products are not sold in China? And I used to wonder, what does it matter if you sell it in China or not, as long as it's not made in China? But then it makes sense now if you know that everything sold there must be tested on animals. A lot of people don't know that. And so, you know, be aware. A lot of times they may not test on products that's sold in the US, but they may sell to China, the Chinese consumers. And if they are, it's tested on animals. So good to know, right? So anyway, let me get off my, soapbox here and move on. Okay, and it looks like I have brushes here again, which is, brushes always welcome. And, this is the LaRousse. We've gotten this whole set of LaRousse brushes, actually, and BoxyCharm, I think. Yeah, well, you remember this is a different color, but ours was it's the same handles by the look of it, the pattern. You see, it's got that lumpy. The one we got, I think it was a 5 brush set, and they were black, right? Where this is like gray, and this is good. This is nice, beautiful. I mean, I always welcome these kind of brushes, but it looks like each of these count as one item each because yeah, they do. And here, so nice. These are so nice. I love these brushes. I'll put this aside because I have enough of them open, but let me tell you about them anyway. Okay, so this is LaRousse angled shading brush. This versatile angle brush effortlessly blends smudges and smokes powder or cream eyeshadow. Powder or cream eyeshadows. Can't even read either. Vegan and cruelty-free, once again. And so that's this one here. This is the angled brush. Okay. And then the other one is a, let's see, it's a tapered blending brush. And that's this one here. Okay. And there's actually no prices for the individual ones of these. Is there? Oh, there is. The first one is $28. The second one is also $28. And then the third one, which is, let's see, does it say, they just call it a large angle brush. They don't call it a blush brush or anything like that, or contour brush. And this one here is $32 retails. Okay. And that's that. Yeah, beautiful brushes. I love them. They're soft. They're easy to use. So LaRousse, you know. So I put that aside. And one other thing here, and I see this is the last thing in my box, but I know this product because I right now have the same identical thing in my giveaways over there waiting to give it away. So now I'm going to have 2 of them. And it's a palette, and it's the Moods palette. I think you guys remember this, right? And I'll go ahead and open it up for you again. Same thing, the Moods. There we go. Now there's 2. So I'll have to give 2 of them away. But again, the color story on these are beautiful. Here's a big mirror. And here are the color stories. And you have the highlighters, 2 different shades of highlighter. And it does come with a double-ended brush. And so I will be giving these away as well. I have 2, so I need to give 1 in the next giveaway. So, and this is made by Laura Sanchez Beauty. And hold on 1 second. I dropped the card with the price on it, and I'll give you the price for this and then give you the total. Okay, I got it. Okay, this one here is the Mood palette, and it retails for $25. And again, this is made in the USA and cruelty-free. So, and it says here, a versatile palette with matte and metallic shades, perfect to create endless combinations. And so it looks like all of these were made outside of China. That's really weird. And yeah, and cruelty-free. I like it. And this company, this box comes from Fashionsta. So I will leave you a link in the descriptions in case you're interested. And this whole box actually retailed for $205. And that's not bad for $24.99. Let's kind of talk about what I got here, okay? So first I got the 3 Graces Lip Saver lip cream. And then I received this foaming 2-in-1 cleanser, watermelon cleanser. Then, of course, this palette, which is the contour / eyeshadow / whatever you want to use it for palette. Then I received this Simply Even Tone Perfecting Butter for the body of the face. And then I received this beautiful palette by Mood. And I think this is the last thing, right? And the 3 brushes by LaRousse. So $24.99, is it worth it? Yeah, I think so. Especially all of these things I will be able to use. And so, what do you think? I mean, do you get this box? It's called Fashionsta, the box. And so if you don't and you're interested, like I said, I will leave you a link below. It's not sponsored. I don't make any money doing this, but I mean, I do get a benefit. I think I get like brownie points and where I can use it towards buying something or something like that. But I'll leave that information below. Okay, so my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please leave them below. And also let me know how you guys are doing, okay? I want to make sure that you guys are doing okay. And so if you enjoyed this video, and if I added any value, please hit like. And as usual, I'm going to hold right here while you subscribe, in case you're not already subscribed. I'm going to give you a moment. And don't forget to click on that bell button so that way you'll know every time I upload a video. So, done? Thank you so much. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for spending your moments with me today. And as I always say, remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.